Hello, I'm Ben, the AA's Patrol of the Year. You may not be using your car as much right now, but it still needs a bit of care and attention if it's not moving. So here are 3 quick and easy ways you can look after your car at home to make sure it's ready to go when you are. If you're not using your car as often, your battery will start to go flat. You can give it a little help to stay charged by starting the engine, running it for 15 minutes once a week. Let the engine run for the full 15 minutes to prevent any potential flooding with the fuel on petrol cars. Make sure you do this outside, rather than a garage, and never leave the car unattended with the engine running. If the car's parked up for a long time, the brakes can seize. So while it's running, move the car a short distance back and forth a few times. If you haven't driven for a long time, then check the condition and pressure of your tyres. Look out for any cuts and bulges. If they need it, make sure you inflate them before you're due to drive. So there you go, 3 simple tips for your car while you're at home. That's it from me. Thanks for being with us. We're always there for our members, so if you need us, just get in touch and stay safe.